Sir, pinabulaanan na po ng DOH itong kumakalat umano na human metapneumovirus o HMPV. Pero just the same, mga tao po natatakot sa mga bagay na hindi nila alam. Gaano po ba kadelikado itong sakit na ito?
Well, this is a common respiratory tract infection virus, no? And most of the time, majority, it can only cause minor type of symptoms related sa upper respiratory tract, kagaya ng pag-ubo, sipon, no, or nasal congestion, and rarely it causes pneumonia or mortality, no? So, which means that this is not something new. This is not something as virulent as flu or even COVID-19. But we need to really just have to be careful, no? Kasi kagaya ng mga ibang mga mild respiratory tract infections because of viral etiology, most of the time it's self-limited. Pero alam mo, meron naman talagang mga pasyenteng pwedeng matamaan at pwedeng mag-severe, no? Kagaya ng mga bata at yung mga may edad na 70, 75 years old at saka may mga comorbidities, no? But generally speaking, this is not a virus that we need to deal with because it can cause severe symptoms or infection.
Opo, kasi yung mga balitang kumakalat nga, iniyahan tulad dito sa COVID-19. Pero ano po ba yung kaibahan nitong HMPV sa COVID-19 at ano yung mga dapat gawin para maiwasan po ito?
Well, alam natin ang COVID-19, no? It has caused a great rate of mortality, especially yung 2021 and 2022, no? And in fact, nagkukumahog tayo magpabakuna because we see a lot of mortality. So itong human metapneumovirus is not as virulent as that, no? Pangalawa, meron lang silang medyo kahawig lang na sintomas, no? Yung tinatawag natin na upper respiratory tract infection. So it's so difficult also to start with paano natin ma-differentiate. It's difficult unless ipapa-test natin. Now, how to prevent it, especially for this season, no? Yung tinatawag natin na respiratory virus season. Number one, kailangan maghugas ng kamay. Panatiliin natin yung natutunan natin sa COVID-19 na every time we touch something, we need to wash our hands. Pangalawa, kung meron kang symptoms, upper respiratory tract symptoms, mas maigi siguro you have to cover your mouth when you will be coughing out or sneezing, or the most, especially pag meron kang kasamang mga matatanda sa bahay, you need to wear face mask. At siguro pangatlo, importante ito, yung kalusugan natin, we should take care of our health para naman tataas yung immune system natin at kaya nating labanan ang mga ganitong klaseng infection.
Dr. Solante, may bakuna po ba para dito sa HMPV?
Wala siyang bakuna so far, no? Kasi hindi siya priority ng mga, because of the degree that it cannot really cause us more severe symptoms. Hindi kagaya ng pneumonia, hindi kagaya ng flu or even COVID-19. No? So wala pa tayong nakikita sa pipeline na kung merong bakuna ang human metapneumovirus and hindi naman to talagang kasama doon sa mga list of mga tinatawag natin na critical or highly virulent type of virus.
Siguro panghuling tanong po, sa tingin nyo, handa naman po ba ang Pilipinas kung kung magkaroon ng outbreak ng mga sakit?
Well, malaki ang natutunan natin sa COVID-19, no? Yung health infrastructure natin medyo ready na tayo sa mga ganitong klaseng respiratory tract infection. But just the same, kailangan pa rin natin magbatsyag, no? We need to monitor what's going on, and kung may mga nagkakasakit sa mga hospital, we need to test them kung anong mga infection ang nakukuha nila. And more or less, ganun naman talaga ang preparation natin.
Maraming salamat po sa mga impormasyon na ibinahagi nyo sa amin. Infectious Diseases Expert, Ron Solante.